If something in you has been calling you to sound healing, towards using your voice or healing instruments to hold space for others, I want you to hear this. That call is real, and it's worth following. My sound healing certification and voice mentorship is now open for May 2026, and it's for the empathetic souls, the healers, the sensitive ones who know that they're here for something more. We go deep, covering instruments, voice, energetic work, intuition, and building your actual sound healing practice so you can share this powerful modality with the world. And if you're not quite there yet, if you're still in the exploring stage, check out my Crystal Singing Bowls video that just went up on YouTube. It's a beautiful entry into the world of sound healing.